Hello everyone, and welcome back to Electroonics. If you're looking for headphones that deliver amazing sound, comfort, and long battery life, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the KVIDIO Bluetooth Headphones Over-Ear. Let's see what makes them stand out. Let's start with the sound. These headphones feature dual 40mm drivers with noise isolation. The result: rich, deep bass and clear, immersive audio that feels like a concert right in your ears. Perfect for music, movies, or gaming, they deliver a premium listening experience every time. Comfort is another big win here. The soft memory protein foam earmuffs and adjustable headband are designed for all-day wear. Whether you're working, traveling, or relaxing, the lightweight and foldable design makes them easy to use and carry. Now for the features. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, these headphones ensure a fast and stable wireless connection. Plus, the built-in microphone lets you handle calls with ease, worried about battery life. With up to 65 hours of playtime, these headphones have you covered. And if you run out of charge, just switch to wired mode using the included cable. So, what do you think about the KVIDIO Bluetooth headphones? If you're ready to upgrade your sound game, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for more exciting reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.